eye-catching new trend swimwear Factory Custom MOQ 30 BCS. The rhinestone and diamante mesh is really popular now. Many famous brands love it. Check our mesh fabrics here. These two pieces is really always sparkling and shining. Metallic colors are very fashionable and sexy. It's a great way to show off your figure. Solid colors and snake patterns are good choices. People like to add some accessories to swimwear. It looks more designed, not monotonous and boring. Only good quality accessories can add value to a swimwear. Almost every brand does crinkle swimwear, soft touch and big elastic. It's a great experience to wear. Contact us for the new fabrics and designs.